Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start screen sharing right away. Begin by opening the TV's screen share app. Make sure the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network or enable Wi-Fi Direct for Miracast. On the TV, note the name displayed and the input channel. You'll use this in a moment. Once done, leave the screen share app visible. Do not navigate away. Now, prepare your device. We'll trigger the casting option from your phone or Windows PC next. You'll now initiate the connection from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings or Open Settings right arrow cast, then select the TV name shown on the screen share app. Accept any TV prompts. On a Windows PC, press Win+K or add a wireless display via Settings. Pick the TV and choose Duplicate or Extend. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and the LG supports AirPlay, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick You're almost done. Select the app or desktop you want to show and confirm audio routes to the TV if needed. If the image looks stretched, adjust resolution on your device to match the TV's 16:9 or other setting. When finished, stop casting from your device to disconnect cleanly. If it fails to connect, toggle your device Wi-Fi, reboot the LG TV, or switch to Wi-Fi direct pairing that often fixes handshake problems. If still stuck, restart both devices and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.